Welcome to Pink Digital News. If you are new to the channel, please click the like button and subscribe and share the video. It's now time for Crypto Shorts, brought to you by Pink Digital. New South Korean crypto regulator almost here. The South Korean government is set to come good on a promise to launch a new regulatory agency that will govern the domestic crypto sector in the wake of what it calls the Terra Lunac incident. As reported in late May, the body has been tentatively named the Digital Assets Committee, and its creation has been fast-tracked. The committee will liaise with the Financial Services Committee, FSC, and the Financial Supervisory Service, FSS, South Korea's main financial regulators. Currently, the Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, a branch of the FSC, governs crypto exchanges. It is not clear if the new committee will eventually take over this role, but its first tasks will almost certainly be policy creation related. Elon Musk's Tesla sold 75% of its Bitcoin. On Wednesday, it was announced in a Q2 update by Tesla that the electric car manufacturer had sold 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. Tesla held around a total of 42,000 BTC at the start of Q2 and sold the majority of the Bitcoin at an average price of $29,000. On February 8, 2021, Tesla announced that it had purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and had begun accepting BTC as payment. Later in Q1 2021, the company sold 272 million of its Bitcoin at a profit, with Elon Musk saying the reason was to prove the asset's liquidity and viability as an alternative to cash on its balance sheet. Crypto lender Vold files for protection from creditors. Peter Thiel-backed cryptocurrency lender Vold has filed for protection from its Singaporean creditors just days after suspending withdrawals from its platform. According to a recent blog post, the company filed the paperwork on July 8. The management has decided that in light of the current circumstances, it would be in the best interests of all stakeholders, including creditors, to file the application for a moratorium order. This is so as to give DeFi Payments, its Singapore entity, and the Vauld management the breathing space it requires to prepare for the intended restructuring for the benefit of all stakeholders. Vauld says it continues to be in talks with Nexo, which earlier in July inked a term sheet with Vold for a possible purchase, subject to a 60-day due diligence period. Polygon launches new Ethereum-compatible scaling solution, zkEVM, based on zero-knowledge proofs. zkEVM will enable developers to seamlessly deploy any Ethereum smart contract that scales infinitely and drastically reduces fees. According to Polygon's announcement, an Ethereum scaling solution has been in the works for quite some time. The company decided earlier on that zero-knowledge ZK proofs were the most promising pathway to achieve seamless scaling. Polygon calls it zkEVM, the future of Ethereum scaling. As with any other ZK-based scaling solution, zkEVM is a layer 2 protocol that rolls up a large batch of transactions and proves all of them to Ethereum with a single ZK validity proof. Ibex Mercado, Osmo wallet partner to further Bitcoin adoption in Guatemala. A new partnership between Ibex Mercado, an integral Bitcoin infrastructure provider to the El Salvadoran Bitcoin rollout, and startup Guatemalan Bitcoin service provider Osmo Wallet, is enabling users to buy, sell, and transact in Bitcoin in one of the most underbanked regions in the world. Nearly 70% of the Central Americans are unbanked, even though the population has an incredible smartphone penetration rate. Thus, while financial inclusion is waning, the capacity for connection within the region is ever expanding. Thus, with heightened levels of connectivity in Guatemala, Osmo Wallet provided a necessary function in the region through a partnership with Airpack, a money transfer services company which operates in over 8,000 retail locations from Mexico to Costa Rica, which allows Osmo users to cash out BTC held in their wallet for fiat. Popular block game Minecraft says no to NFTs and the blockchain. Mojang Studios, the Microsoft-owned developer behind the wildly popular generated sandbox game Minecraft, announced on Wednesday that NFTs and other blockchain products would not be supported by the studio or allowed in the game. As a form of blockchain technology, an NFT or non-fungible token is basically a unique receipt tied to the blockchain for any digital asset, such as a video, an illustration, a character model in a video game, or anything else you can access on a computer that verifies the holder as the one true owner of the asset. For example, if a Minecraft player had the NFT for a pickaxe that looks like a lightsaber, that player can claim to be the legal owner of the original lightsaber pickaxe. In its statement, Mojang explained that NFTs run counter to the game's values of cooperation and collaboration because the virtual assets are, by their nature, extremely scarce collector's items. Crypto.com rolls out Google Pay integration. Global cryptocurrency wallet and exchange platform Crypto.com added Google Pay as a payment option for Android users to buy cryptocurrencies on July 21. Google Pay is estimated to have over 100 million users that could make use of the latest payment gateway to cryptocurrency markets. Users that have set up their Google Pay accounts to be linked with a credit or debit card will be able to choose the payment option when on the Crypto.com app. The exchange lists over 250 cryptocurrencies accessible to some 50 million users it serves around the world. And South Korea postpones 20% tax on crypto gains to 2025. The delay comes just a couple months after newly elected President Yoon Suk-yeol promised to work on the regulations first. The South Korean government has reportedly postponed the 20% tax crypto gains by 2 years. The controversial 20% tax on crypto gains was supposed to come into effect on January 1, 2023, but now has been deferred to 2025. The government officials announced their new tax reform plans on July 21, deferring the crypto tax policy to 2025, citing stagnant market conditions and the time required for the preparation of investor protection measures. The initial plans of imposing an additional 20% tax on crypto gains exceeding 2.5 million won, which is 1,900 in a one-year period, remain unchanged. That's it for Crypto Shorts, brought to you by Pink Digital. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for tuning in. Pink Digital News, signing out.